Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Today we have a question for you. Like, do you have any interest in Western dresses or not only in Western dresses but also some of the modern dresses of the Indian culture? If yes, so today's review is for you that we are going to share out the details about kurtismela.com. So let's check out the details. Either this is a legit or a scam store. Kurtis Mela is a website that sells Western culture dresses which are quite famous in Western countries. All the dresses are of different colors with different design that increase the rarity of these dresses. These dresses are not available in near about every store but only in some shops. We often see the people like to buy dresses they are having good rating and perfect fitting. The prices shown on the website are quite less according to their original prices. So let's check out the specification. It was created on 3rd of July 2021. It is HTTPS code website and the website is for all new under category of clothing. They have mentioned the email address which is matching the domain name and it is a positive sign. They are accepting different payment method like Visa card, MasterCard, etc. As for an return and replacement is concerned, you can return the product within 15 days after delivery. Refund is also available. The positive point of the store are it has proper SSL certification. This website is an online selling store that helps us know whether the website is legit by checking an shopping scam. It is HTTPS protocol website. Any blacklist engine was not seen in the website operating list. The negative point of shopping from about shopping store are the owner's identity was hidden from the website. This website is only 1 month old. A very low Alexa rank was found for this website. Very few links are compatible with this website. So as far as customer reviews are concerned, that they have an equal weightage as goodwill, and a company only exists in the market if it has goodwill or plenty of genuine customer reviews. So it is very important for a site to have plenty of good and positive reviews of their customer. As in the context of this website, there are no reviews available that show that website is not a scam but a genuine. So in our conclusion, we can say that as it does not have a good domain age and a customer review, so we would say that we must give this website some time to grow. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, you should share your experience. Meanwhile, you should wait for some genuine reviews, so by then you may not lose your money and you can shop from other store when still you can find some genuine reviews to come that help you to decide either you should watch from kurtismela.com or not.